County Tyrone, near the town of Dungannon, where many's the ructions myself had a hand in. Bob Williamson lived, a weaver by trade, and all of us thought him a stout orange blade. On the 12th of July, as it yearly did come, Bob played with his flute to the sound of a drum. He may talk of your harp, your piano, or lute, but none can compare with the old orange flute. Now Bob the deceiver, he took us all in. He married a papist named Bridget McGinn, turned papist himself and forsook the old cause, and gave us our freedom, religion, and laws. Now the boys of the place made some comment upon it, and Bob had to fly to the province upon it. He fled with his wife and his fixins to boot, and along with the latter the old orange flute. At the chapel on Sunday to atone for past deeds, said paters and aves and counted his beads, till after some time at the priest's own desire, he went with the old flute to play in the choir. He went with the old flute to play for the mass, but the instrument shivered inside, oh alas. And try though he would, though it made a great noise, the flute would play only the Protestant boys. Bob jumped and he started and got in a flutter, and threw the old flute in the blessed holy water. He thought that this charm would bring some other sound. When he tried it again, it played Croppies Lie Down. Now for all he could whistle and finger and blow, to play papish music he found it no go. Kick the pop and coin water, it freely would sound, but one papish squeak in it couldn't be found. At the council of priests that was held the next day, they decided to banish the old flute away. They couldn't knock heresy out of its head, so they bought Bob a new one to play in its stead. Now the old flute was doomed, and its fate was pathetic. It was fastened and burned at the stake as heretic. As the flames poured around and they heard a strange noise, 'twas the old flute still whistling the Protestant boys. Tooraloo, tooraloo, oh, it's 6 miles from Bangor to